after sheet molding, can be combined with automatic palletizing and discharging rack. Zhongtuo's automatic discharge rack. There are currently 3 models to choose from. 1. Flat plate automatic palletizer. After cutting, direct access to the discharge rack. Equipment plus 4 lifts. When the plate is less, the lift can be raised. Let the sheet fall naturally. Will not cause the board to fall because of the height difference. Damaged sheet. It ensures that the surface is flat and there are no creases. Automatic output, automatic outgoing. This equipment's strong bearing capacity, stable operation. Online use with tile press. 2. Mobile automatic stacker. The device comes with grab lever. After cutting, transfer to the receiving table. The grasping rod holds the board. Transfer to designated dump. Handle with care. Protect the board from damage. When stacked to a certain height, it can be transferred by forklift. This device liberates labor. Help transport, energy efficient. 3. Steel palletizer. Steel palletizer. Seamless interconnection. High fit with plate forming machine. Supports U3 types of steel products. Double track double folding handling design. Less space. Maximum width up to 450 millimeters. Up to 350 kilograms steel products can be absorbed. Configuration can be selected according to the site. Zhongtuo cold bending, so that production is simpler.